Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A warm welcome to all you viewers and subscribers. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, now please remember to turn your post notification on, leave me a comment, like the video, share it with your friends. All right, now today I'm gonna be making hominy corn porridge. Yes. Now, if you're Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about, or perhaps you have some idea. And if you're not and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make it. All right, now perhaps you can't get hominy corn to purchase, right? Perhaps you could try some other corn like the sweet corn or just corn, right? Now I'm gonna be showing you in a short video how I make it from scratch. All right, if you want to see how I make it, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. And remember to share the video, guys. Share it with your friends, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, guys, first of all, what I did, I soaked my corn in water and left it in my refrigerator overnight. Now, keep in mind that the grains are hard, so it will take some time to cook. Now, if you don't have the time, you could always throw it in your pressure cooker and it will cook, quicker and you'll get it soft. Or, like I did, you could soak it overnight, then cook it, and it will take roughly 45 minutes for it to be cooked all together. All right. Okay, now that I'm about to prepare my porridge, I'm boiling my water and I've added some salt to the pot, about half teaspoon of salt. And also I have my cinnamon leaves in the water, right? This is for flavoring. Now I'm adding my corn to the hot water. All right, so now that I've added all the corn to the water, I'm gonna keep on stirring because we don't want the corn to stick to the pot. Okay, guys? So I have here 12 ounces of coconut milk. I'm going to be adding my flour to the coconut milk, then stir it all together. Now, if you don't want to use flour, you can also use cornstarch or corn flour, right? This helps to make the porridge thick. So after I finish mixing the coconut milk and the flour, I'm going to add it to my pot. Now, the coconut milk gives the porridge a very nice flavor. If you've never yet tried it, I'm imploring you to try it. You'll love it. So I have some grated carrots right here. I'm going to be adding this to my porridge as well. It helps to thicken the porridge. Now, you don't have to add any carrots to yours if you don't want to. Okay, guys? And also remember to keep on stirring, okay? Because you don't want the porridge to stick to the pot. Okay, so now I'm about to add some spice to the pot, guys. Some ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, some vanilla. Okay, so I used about half a teaspoon of the nutmeg and the ground cinnamon. All right, it will also be in my description. I'm using 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 6 ounces of dairy milk, And now my porridge is cooked and ready to serve. Okay, I'm gonna be having this with my toast and my pear. Okay, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification on if you want to see my upcoming videos. Like this video, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you. God bless.